What if I told you I could create a DIY budget probe lens with the Osmo Pocket 3? Something I've loved over the last couple of months is the Periscope by Laowa, and it's been an amazing lens. It's incredibly cool to use, and the perspectives that you can capture with this are amazing. But there's one problem. This lens is £2,500, $3,000, so it's quite expensive for content creation. And it's also something that you might not use all the time, which is why it's so unique. But with the Osmo Pocket 3, it's incredibly clever and amazing actually what they've done with this device, because for vlogging, and a lot of people have recommended it for getting that 4K 60 FPS while you're out and about with just a small device that you can, well, put in your pocket. What I actually love is there's similarities between this, because this is a 20mm focal length and this has a 24mm focal length. So they're quite close in comparison. But a lot of people are looking at it and filming it like this, probably because for its actual purpose, but I'm actually looking at it and seeing it like this, and maybe a bit extended. And what that does is allows us to create also different shots and a different purpose for this piece of equipment. So let's get into it and I'll show you how you can do it. When you're shooting at a wide angle such as 20mm, you do want to think about your surroundings. So I decided that with this perspective, and actually what you can see on the lens right now, is it's best to have a wall of Coca-Cola cans either side, and then we're going to use this Coca-Cola glass as the main subject once the Osmo Pocket 3 goes through the middle. The other thing that's going to happen as well is the Osmo Pocket 3 has a spin shot feature. So as this is going through, it's actually going to rotate as well at the same time. And that's going to give us such a unique and clever perspective. To create the shot, what we're going to do is have a 2-light setup. One light is going to be at the top here, and it's going to be casting straight through the middle. It's going to act as a backlight and also light up the sort of inside parts of the can. The next light is going to be underneath the table, and it's going to be an RGB orange glow, and this is going to light the back of the drink, but also cast some of that light onto the sheet of paper that we'll have up here. And the last thing that we're going to do is have a diffusion panel either side, and this is going to bounce some of that light back in and also add a sort of soft glow to the top parts of the can. This is what we've built, and it's only made up of 4 components. Slider is the main thing that allows us to go forward and backwards. Then we have a tripod ball head on the top, which is mounted to the plate provided by the slider. There's an extension stick in the middle, which is like what you get with a GoPro. It's a selfie stick really, and it gives us that extension tube. And then we have a Osmo Pocket 3 on the end, which gives us the whole look and feel of what we want to go for with a probe lens DIY budget version. So now what we're going to do is test this out and see what we can do. When we're in spin shot mode, the gimbal on the Osmo Pocket 3 will rotate, and it allows us to create a dynamic shot that will make it way more interesting actually than what we can do with just the probe lens. So I hope you liked that video, and that's it for today guys. Just shows what you can do with even a small device like this. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.